will start exercise 5, section C, and the calculation exercise question starts from your question number 5 in section C, which is on your page number 210. So here we'll start the solution. For fifth one, for a frequency distribution skewness is minus 2.8. If its mode is 38.8, find mean. So first of all, let's keep the formula of skewness. That is, skewness is equal to mean minus, as the information is talking about the mode, we'll keep the mode formula of skewness. Here the skewness value is given minus 2.8 and the question is asking to find out mean minus mode. The value of mode which is given in the question is 48.8 minus 2.8. We'll take this 48 over this side. Obviously the sign will change. अगर आप इस इक्वल टू के ये साइड लेकर जा रहे हो तो ये वैल्यू का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा बाय प्लस 48.8 इज इक्वल टू मीन. नाउ चेक दिस टू वैल्यू. ये कम है और ये ज़्यादा है और उसका साइन प्लस है. माइनस प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा. दैट इज 2.8 माइनस 48.8 विल बी 46 is equal to mean. Therefore, the mean value here we found is 46. Next, question number 6. Sum of two extreme quartile is 138. In a symmetric frequency distribution, find its median. Now, extreme quartile in symmetric frequency distribution means it's a Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 138. That's what the line means. And here they ask you to find out median. So here we'll take Q3 plus Q1 equals to 2 median, where the value of Q3 plus Q1 is 138 is equal to 2 median. 138 divided by 2 is equal to median. Get it divided, you will get the answer 69. Therefore, the median out of this equation is 69. Question number 7. The coefficient of skewed frequency distribution is 0.75. Means here coefficient of skewness you given in the question is 0.75. If its standard deviation is 20, that is S is equal to 20. And mean is 37.50. That is mean 37.50. Find median. Now here we'll keep the coefficient of skewness frequency distribution formula of median. That is J is equal to 3 mean minus median divided by standard deviation. Now let's keep all the value in the formula. 0.75 is equal to 3. Mean here the question is, it is given 37.50 minus median divided by standard deviation, that is 20. 0.75, take the 20 above, that is multiply by 20 and take this 3 on the opposite direction, which will be go upon, and it would be 37.50 minus median. Now we can remove the bracket as well. So out of this calculation you will get 0.75 multiplied by 20 will be 50 divided by 3 is equal to 37.50 minus median. I'll continue over this side, which will be 3 ones are and 3 fives are. The equation will be 5 is equal to 37.50 minus median. Now we'll just make an exchange of this two. मीडियन को यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं, जो माइनस साइन में है जो प्लस में चेंज हो जाएगा. 5 जो इज इक्वल टू के ये साइड है, अगर हम वो साइड लेकर जाएं इज इक्वल टू के अपोजिट साइड जाए तो वो माइनस में चेंज हो जाएगा. तो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्वाइप दिस टू थिंग. ये दो को हम सिर्फ स्वाइप कर रहे हैं. where the 37.50 minus 5, the value will be 32.50. That's what the median is equal to 32.50. Next question number 8. The mean of the skewed distribution exceed in median by 3. Just understand the mean of skewed distribution exceed median by 3, that is mean minus median is equal to 3. If its coefficient of skewness is 0.75, coefficient of skewness, that is J, 0.75. Find standard deviation. So just check where it will come. It will come in the coefficient of skewness formula where median is introduced. So first we'll write down the formula. 3 mean minus median divided by standard deviation. For coefficient skewness, value is 0.75. 3 mean minus median, here the value is given 3. Divide by standard deviation, that is what we are going to find out. 0.75, 3 3s are 9 upon standard deviation. Now again we are going to swipe this to position. S को ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे और 0.75 को ये साइड लेकर आएंगे. अगर आप इज इक्वल टू के ये साइड लाते हो तो इट वुड बी मल्टीप्लाई 1 अपॉन 0.75, राइट. तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली स्वाइप कर रहे हैं हम लोग. S को ऊपर ले लो और उसकी पोजीशन पे 0.75. 9 will stay on the same position. Get it, divide, you will get 12. So that's what the value of standard deviation. Next, question number 9. In question number 9, it is given if a frequency distribution has Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 2 bracket Q3 minus Q1 bracket close, find J. And for this, here what the information is given, it is Q3 minus Q2, which is Q2, that means median. So out of Q2, we are going to write down median. It's the one and the same, is equal to 2. Again the Q2 minus Q1 is given. Q2 की जगह पे हम median को रख रहे हैं. The reason, the quartiles formula we are using in the Bowley's method, and in Bowley's method we are not taking a Q2, पर वहाँ पे हम median use कर रहे थे, right? तो यहाँ पे मैंने Q2 की जगह पे सिर्फ median का sign change कर लिया. So what does it mean? That Q3 minus median is equals to 2 median minus Q1. Now we'll keep the formula of Bowley's method. If you remember, the formula of coefficient of skewness, that is Q3 minus median. This formula I have given you in the first video with formula. So please check back. वहाँ पे भी मैंने लिखा है और आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी मिल जाएगा. तो ये वाला फॉर्मूला हमारा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ स्क्यूनेस का था, एंड द सेम यही Q3 माइनस मीडियन एंड मीडियन माइनस Q1, यही हमको रिपीट करना है, बस नीचे होगा प्लस Q3 माइनस मीडियन, median minus Q1. That's what the formula of coefficient of skewness. This is the same as Bowley's method only. Out of this equation calculation, we'll go to the same formula जो अभी तक हम use कर रहे हैं. तो out of this information, what is written? Q3 minus median will be equals to 2 median minus Q1. तो ये रहा हमारा Q3 minus median will be equals to 2 median minus Q1. तो ज़रा इसकी वैल्यू चेंज कर देते हैं, ये बना देते हैं 2 median minus Q1 माइनस जो था वही हमने लिखा मीडियन माइनस Q1 अपॉन अगेन Q3 माइनस मीडियन. अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द वैल्यू विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, मीडियन माइनस Q1 प्लस मीडियन माइनस Q1. नाउ दिस इज द 2 एंड हियर विल बी द 1. 2 minus 1 remain 1 median minus Q1. Here is the 2 median minus Q1 plus 1 median minus Q1. यहाँ पे 1 होगा, right? So 2 plus 1 it would be 3 median minus Q1. This equation will get cut. Remain 1 upon 3, which will be 0.33. So that's what the value of coefficient of skewness. Next, question number 10. If a frequency distribution has a skewness that is minus 6.6 and quartile deviation 22, find J. quartile deviation. Remember this we have learned in our last chapter. Hope you remember the formula as well. QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Now here the value of quartile deviation is given, that is 22. Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. Now we'll take the 2 over up, that is 2 multiplied by 2. Q3 minus Q1. Here we get the value 44 of Q3 minus Q1. So out of the equation here, first we find out is this. Next, here they are asking to find out coefficient of skewness. So for this, first we'll keep the formula. That is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. ये जो फॉर्मूला है ऊपर वाला, आई जस्ट शो यू, वो स्क्यूनेस का फॉर्मूला है, राइट. Q3 प्लस Q1 माइनस 2 मीडियन, जहाँ हमें स्क्यूनेस की वैल्यू दी है 6 माइनस 6.6. सो वी कैन टेक डायरेक्टली फॉर दिस फ्रैक्शन, दैट इज माइनस 6.6. नीचे है Q3 माइनस Q1 जो है 44. सो डायरेक्टली यू कैन कीप 44. आउट ऑफ दिस कैलकुलेशन यू विल फाइंड, क्योंकि आंसर माइनस में है, आंसर आएगा माइनस 0.50. दैट्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. A skewness frequency distribution has a mean 40, mode 46, Q3 plus Q1 76 and Q3 minus Q1 is 20, out of which here they ask you to find out the Bowley's coefficient of skewness. So first we'll keep the formula of Bowley's coefficient of skewness. The formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median upon Q3 minus Q1. Now Q3 plus Q1, the value is given 76 minus 2 median. As we don't have a median value, Q3 minus Q1, the value is given 20. Now here the question arises, first to find out median, and to find out the median, mean and mode is given. Now remember how all three comes in the only one formula of mode, that is 3 mean minus 3 median minus 2 mean. ये हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में किया था. सो आउट ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू. मोड का वैल्यू दिया है क्वेश्चन में 46 और मीन 40 दिया है, तो मोड का वैल्यू पहले रख देते हैं 46. 3 मीडियन जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है 2, मीन दिया है 40. 46 इज इक्वल टू 3 मीडियन माइनस 2 40s are, that is 80. नाउ कीप द 46 एज इट इज. अगर 80 को हम इज इक्वल टू के ये साइड ले ले तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा बाय प्लस 80 इज इक्वल टू 3 मीडियन. 46 प्लस 80 will be 126 is equal to 3 median. 126 is equal to 3 को divide कर दिया on the opposite direction 3, that is median. Divide it, you will get the answer 42. So therefore here we find out the median 42. The value will be kept back to the Bowley's formula. 76 minus 2, median we found is 42, divided by 20. Keep 76 as it is. 2 multiplied by 42, that is 84, divide by 20. Here you will get, as you can see, 84 is larger than 76. तो यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर माइनस में आएगा, दैट माइनस 8 डिवाइड बाई 20. Here we get the answer minus 0.4. Next question 13, as question number 12 where the theoretical answer has to be given. So here we are going to do 13th question. The three quartiles of the frequency distribution are 76, 98 and 40. Find J and state the types of skewness. J means coefficient of skewness. अब यहाँ पे जब आपको 3 क्वार्टाइल्स दिया है, यहाँ पे आप ध्यान रखना, ऑब्वियसली ये Q1, Q2 और Q3 ही दिया है, पर Q1 मतलब सबसे कम वाली वैल्यू, तो Q1 होगा आपका 40, Q2 उससे ज़्यादा, दैट इज़ Q2 which will be your median only 76 and 98 जो सबसे ज़्यादा है will be your Q3. Always remember इसको ascending order में आप रख देना, that would be your quartile. And out of this they ask to find out the skewness. Sorry, find the coefficient of skewness and state the types. यानी कि वो positive skewness है या negative skewness है. So first of all, let's keep the formula of coefficient of skewness, that is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median upon Q3 minus Q1. So here we found the Q3 is 98 plus Q1 40 minus 2 median है 76. Divide by Q3 value is 98 minus 40. 98 plus 40, that is 138, minus 2 into 76, that is 152. 98 minus 40 will be 58. Now 138 get minus with 152 will be minus 14, as the पीछे वाली वैल्यू ज़्यादा है और उसकी साइन माइनस है तो माइनस में आंसर आएगा. Divide by 58 and here we get the answer 0.24. Next, fourth question. The coefficient of skewness of distribution is 0.85. If its mean is 3.4 more than its mode, find its variance. Now the line means is 3.4 more than its mode. That means mean is equal to mode plus 3.4, where the equation will be mean. अगर मोड को मैं इक्वल्स टू के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लेकर जाऊं तो ये माइनस साइन में चेंज हो जाएगा. दैट इज मोड, दैट इज 3.4. एज दे आर आस्किंग टू फाइंड द वेरिएंस. वेरिएंस मतलब स्क्वायर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. तो ये फॉर्मूला हमें लगाना पड़ेगा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ स्क्यूनेस का, क्योंकि उसका भी वैल्यू दिया है. तो जे मीन माइनस मोड divide by standard deviation. Now where the coefficient of skewness का वैल्यू हमें दिया है क्वेश्चन में 0.85. Mean minus mode just now we found, which will be 3.4, and here we have to find out standard deviation. So again we can swipe the value by keeping s over here 3.4 divide by 0.85. Get it divide, you will find standard deviation is 4. But in the question it has been asked variance, यानी कि s square मतलब 4 square, s square मतलब आपका variance. So 4 square, that is 4 4s are 16. So that's what the variance which has been asked in the question. Next, the last one from the section C, 15th question. If a frequency distribution has mean plus mode is equal to 82, mean is equal to 44 and standard deviation is 12, find coefficient of skewness. So here first take all the information which is given. Mean plus mode is equal to 82, that is this. Then mean value is given 44 and standard deviation value is given 12, and here they ask you to find out coefficient of skewness, that is J. So out of this information, let's keep the formula first. Coefficient of skewness, that is we can see the mode, तो वो वाला formula हम use करेंगे. Mean minus mode divide by standard deviation. Mean which is given 44 minus mode का value ready में नहीं है but standard deviation 12. Mode हम इस equation से find out कर सकते हैं. Mean plus mode is equal to 82, जहाँ mean का value हमें दिया है 44 plus mode is equal to 82. Therefore, keep 44 or we can take the mode over here 82. अगर 44 को opposite direction यानी कि is equal to की opposite direction में लेकर जाए तो 44 का plus sign turn हो जाएगा minus में. So 82 minus 44 will get 38. So here we can keep the value of mode, where 44 minus 38 will be 6 upon 12, 6 1s are, 6 2s are, and here we get the answer 0.5. That is coefficient of skewness is 0.5. Here we complete section C, moving to the section D.